Today we are going to learn science. So can you tell me, have you ever seen greenery around you? You might have seen so many greenery. So what have you observed in that greenery? What things are there that are green? Leaves. Yes, very good. And where are the leaves grow? On the plants, trees. Yes. So today we are going to learn about the plants. Our topic is plants. We will discuss about each and every part of the plant, function and importance of each part of the plant and types of the plant. So first of all, we will discuss what are plants. So what type of plants have you observed? Have you seen? Some are tall, some are short, some are yellowish in color, not very green. Yes, am I right? Yes. So plants are living organisms. What does mean by living organism? We all are living organisms. Animals are also living organisms. Living organisms are those things that have life in them. They can breathe. They need food to eat. They grow in size. So these all things that grow in size, that breathe, and that need food to grow, that is called living organisms. So plants are also living organisms. So how do you get your food? Your mother cooks food in your home. Where does she cook the food in the home? Is it a particular place in your home where she cooks the food? Yes, kitchen. Your mother cooks the food in the kitchen. And how do plants get their food? Who cooks the food for them? Do we cook? No, we don't cook food for the plants. So how do they get food? They produce their own food. They make their own food with the help of water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide they get from the air. So with all these things, they make their own food. And the process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, so photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. And the plants are in different size. Have you seen all the plants are in same shape and same size and same color? No, they are different in shapes, size and colors. Their color is different because their leaves have different colors. Some leaves are yellowish in color, some leaves are reddish in color, but most of the leaves are green. That is why most of the plant and trees are green. And if I talk about the shapes, plants have, some plants have very, they are very tall, and some plants are very short, and some are medium sized. So their shapes are also differs. Their sizes are also different from each other. So there are variety of plants. They provide food and oxygen for many living things. Plants are very useful to us because they provide food and oxygen for us and for animal also. So that is why plants are very useful. Now we will talk what are the parts of a plant. As we have many body parts, we have parts in our body. Eyes, nose, hand, legs. Like these plants also have their parts. What are those? Those parts are root, stem, fruit, leaf and flowers. So root is the underground part of the plant. Most of the plants have roots under the ground, so we cannot see it. And the upper part is known as shoot. And this shoot contains stem, fruit, leaf, buds, and flowers. Okay, so two main parts are root and shoot. Now we will discuss all the parts of plant one by one. What are the roots and what does they do for the plants? Roots are often found under the surface of the soil because they are underground, and roots absorb water and mineral from the ground. These water and nutrients and minerals are used in the photosynthesis by which the plants make their own food. And also roots are the anchor of the plants because they hold the plants in the soil firmly so that they do not get fall easily. If some storm is there, strong winds are there, plants do not fall easily because roots are holding them in the soil firmly. Some roots store food and nutrients for the plant's growth, like radish, carrot. These are roots which store the food, and we eat these roots. So some roots are eaten also. There are two main types of roots. First is taproot and second is fibrous root. Taproot has a main root in between and some small roots arises from it. So taproot look like this. There is a main root and some small roots arises from it. These are lateral roots. These are called lateral roots. For fibrous root, there is no main root. And here is a mat-like structure. It's looking like a mat. Same roots are everywhere. They are forming like a mat or we can say a net. So there is no main root. This is the fibrous root. Taproot are found in radish, carrot, etc. And these fibrous roots are found in wheat, grass, etc. The next part of the plant is stem. Stems are found above the ground. Stems are found above the ground. And this is the main part of the shoot. And what does the stem do? Stem conducts water and mineral to other parts of plants. The water and mineral absorbed by the roots is further transferred by the stems. Stem transfer this water and mineral to the other parts of the plant that are leaves, flowers, buds and fruits. And stems also transport water and mineral to different part of the plants, and it supports other parts of the plant. Stem contain all other parts like flowers, buds, fruits and leaves and branches. Next part is leaf, the green color flat part of the plant that is known as leaf. And leaf is the kitchen of plant because leaf make the food for the plant. The photosynthesis takes place in the leaves because leaves have chlorophyll and chlorophyll absorb the sunlight, and leaves also have small pores in it through which plants breathe. It means carbon dioxide is absorbed by the leaves and oxygen is released. So this is how leaves make the food for the plant. That is why leaves are the kitchen for the plants. And leaves exchange gases. Exchange gases means absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. We can say that the plants breathe through their leaves. Like we breathe through our nose, plants breathe through their leaves. Leaves may be simple or compound. A long, broad leaf is known as simple leaf. And if there are so many small leaves, like a bunch, then it is known as compound leaf. Compound means many leaves, many. The next part is flowers. Have you seen colorful flowers around you? Yes. So which color flower do you like most? Some flowers are yellow color, some are red, some are orange, pink, white. Yes. Can you name any flower? Which flower is this? Which flower do you see in this picture? This is a sunflower. And what is the color of it? Very good. Yellow. So sunflower is of yellow color. So some other flowers are like rose. Rose is found in many colors, orange, white, pink, yellow, red. Yes, they are so beautiful. So what is the characteristic of the flower? How does a flower help the plant? Flowers do pollination. It means they produce new seeds. They help to produce new plants because new plants reproduce from the seeds. They grow from the seeds and seeds grow by the pollination and flowers do the pollination for the plants. This is how flower helps the plant. The next part is fruit. Do you like fruits? Yes, they are very healthy for us. We should eat fruit. Which fruit is this? Apple. Very good. Can you name any other fruit? Very good. Orange, banana, papaya, all are fruits. And we get fruits from the plants. And fruits contain seeds. Some fruits have many seeds and some fruits have only one seed. So how many seeds does an apple have? Is there one seed or many? Many seeds. Apple has many seeds. So name a fruit that has only one seed. Very good. Mango. Peach. Mango and peach have only one seed in them. Papaya has so many seeds in that. So fruits are the part of the plant that contain seeds and they protect and dispense the seed. We and animal all like to eat fruits and fruit are mostly sweet in taste and some are sour also. And fruits can be eaten raw and cooked. The next part is seeds. We get seeds from the fruits and seeds are the part that grow into new plant. So new plants are grown from the seeds. Some seeds are consumed as food as well. Do you eat almonds? Do you eat nuts like groundnut, pistachio, cashew? These all are seeds. Sunflower seed and pumpkin seeds are also eaten. Now we will see what are the different types of plants. As we know, plants differ in size, shape and color. So there are different types of plants. Some plants are very tall and big. They are very tall and big. And they have so many branches. Their stem is very thick and strong. That is called trunk. This type of plant are known as trees. So the tall plants that have trunk, thick and strong stem, that is known as tree. And their roots are very thick and strong. For example, mango, neem, peepal, banyan, and these trees live usually for many years. Second type is shrub. Shrubs are the medium-sized plant. Medium size. They are not very short, not very tall. And their stem is deep and thin, like rose, bougainvillea, cotton plant. These are shrubs. And they grow near the ground because they are not so much tall, so they grow near the ground and they do not have many branches. They have branches but not so many like trees. The next type is herbs. Have you seen coriander leaves? Does your mother use coriander leaves in your food or mint? Yes, because coriander gives a very nice smell to the food and very uh, yummy taste to the food. We use coriander in our food. And mint, we use we used to eat chutney of the mint. That is very yummy and tasty. So the green leafy vegetables are herbs. They have green and weak stem and they are very short in height. They are very short in height like coriander, mint, spinach and grass. And herbs also have medicinal use also. Some plants are known as climber because they climb upwards. Their stem is also green and very weak. So they need support to grow and they grow upwards using a support. This support can be a stick, wall or other plant. So they grow upwards taking support. This type of plants are known as climbers. For example, pea, grapevine and money plant. Most of the houses have money plants in their home. Do you have money plant? Have you seen money plant? Yes, some of you must have seen. The other type of plant is creeper. Creep means that creep along the ground, that cannot grow upward, that grow horizontally. So these type of plants also have weak and green stem and they grow horizontally along the ground. That is why they are known as creepers and they bear big fruits like watermelon and pumpkin. Now there is a question for you. Saloni describes a plant that she has seen in a field. Identify the plant. She says it is a small bushy plant with hard stem and branches. We get soft fiber from it, which is used for stuffing pillows. So which fiber is used to stuff the pillows? Think and answer. Yes, cotton. Cotton fiber is filled in the pillows and soft toys. And from where, from which plant do we get cotton? Pumpkin plant, cotton plant, coconut plant or money plant? Obviously, cotton plant. So answer is cotton plant. Cotton plant has is a small bushy plant that has hard stem and branches. It is a shrub. The next question for you. Study the given figure. Which of the following best represents X and Y? So let's see. For X, there are two statements. Plants with trunk and plants from which we get oil. This is X. And for Y, again plant with trunk. No, it's not trunk. Y is we get oil and small plant with soft stem. It has soft stem. So let's see the options. Then we will find out the correct option. Mustard. X is mustard. Does a mustard plant have a trunk? No. So it can't be a correct answer. X is coconut. We get oil from coconut? Yes. Coconut has a trunk? Yes. So it can be a correct answer. Let's check for the Y. Mustard. Do we get oil from mustard? Yes. Does it has a soft stem? Yes. So option B is the correct answer. Let's check for other option also. X is sunflower. Sunflower also does not have trunk. Groundnut also does not have trunk. So option B is the correct here. X is coconut. Coconut has trunk and we get oil from it. And mustard is has a soft stem and we get oil from it also. The next question. The given figure shows a plant with its parts labeled as P, Q, R and S. Which of the following is the correct regarding this? S is roots, R is stem, Q is leaf, C is flower. Okay. Now check the options. We eat R of almond. What is R here? Stem. Do we eat a stem of almond? No, we eat seed of almond. Next option, we eat P of broccoli. Have you eaten broccoli ever? Yes. So what part do you eat of broccoli? Is it a root, stem, leaf or flower? Flower. Yes. Very good. So we eat P of broccoli. Let's check for another option. We eat S of cabbage. Root. Do we eat root of cabbage? No. We eat flower of cabbage. We eat Q of ginger. Q means leaf. Do we eat leaf of ginger? No, we eat stem of ginger. So here option B is correct. We eat P of broccoli. It means we eat flower of broccoli. The last question. Which of the following figures correctly shows the movement of water in the plant? Observe each and every picture and then answer. See the arrows, the direction of arrows in each and every part, each and every option. We have to tell the movement of water in the plant. So how does the movement of water in the plant start? Where does it start? It starts with root. And what does root do with the water? Roots absorb water. Absorb water. So it should be like this arrow. So in which is it? A, B and D. And here it is a downward arrow also. Upward and downward both. Is it a correct option? No. Roots only absorb water. So this is wrong. This is also wrong because it is downward. So our answer will be A or B. Now let's check for other parts. After that, water is conducted by the stem to the other parts. So let's see. Here is a downward arrow. Water goes downward? No, water goes upward only. So option A is correct here. Today's lesson is completed here. Bye everyone.